Hello guys, I'm Santosh Ramdhonee, in the construction industry for the last 20 years, and I'm very delighted to be here to have participated in this forum. And why PMP? We've been practicing project management a bit erratically, I will say, and maybe I wanted now to have a better frame, and I think we've been guided very well through this forum. It was very nice to be here with Kedar Sathe for those first 4 days on La Bourdonnais Hotel, and I've gained a lot through this forum, and hopefully my friends who were here also has enjoyed it as much as I did. So.